Okay, everyone. Let's talk about how to find some resources for your physics career project. So you want to go to the LibGuide, which you can do so by Googling HumeFog LibGuides and scrolling down to H for honors physics. You want to click on career project. And first of all, we're going to start with first you have to figure out a job. What are some good jobs that use physics or that physics majors can apply for? So we start with three links. First one is pretty simple. What are job titles of people who get a bachelor's in physics? And what you could do is open another tab and look for some of these. You might already know about some of them, but some of them you may not. And so the first thing you might want to do is just honestly explore, not formally, but just to figure out what you want to do. The second one is one I really like, which is called Where Physics Can Take You. And what it does is it divides into different categories, astronomy, and it kind of helps you think through that, meteorology, and then it has like people underneath there who kind of are physics related, but that are doing those jobs. So physics intersects with all these different sorts of jobs. And so I think that is a really cool thing to do. And on the left hand side, you can see some of those different and varied job paths that someone did who did have a major in physics. Then the third one, and you may end up using this later, is what are profiles of people who had physics majors and then what they did. And so you can say, oh, well, that sounds pretty interesting. What does a medical physicist do? And so this is a good way to find out more about that. You might actually end up using that later about that. So that's it for that part. That should help you figure out a career.